In this guide, we're going over how you can go ahead and get early access for Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I'm demonstrating this currently on my PC with Steam, but this works the exact same way on like PlayStation, Xbox. So no matter what platform you're on, it's going to work the exact same way. But first things first, go ahead and go to your platform store. If you're on Xbox, go to the Microsoft Store. If you're on PlayStation, go to the PlayStation Store. For example, I'm on Steam. I'm just going to be in here. But essentially, once you're in the store, you need to search specifically for Subnautica 2. It looks like it's already on my wish list, so I can go ahead and just search it right now. And if you scroll down on here, you're going to see it is now coming soon to early access. Now, they just released the date, which is going to be May 14th, 2026, which is, only about, 2 weeks from the time that this video is going out. And you just need to make sure right now that you have this on your wish list. Now, as long as it's in your wish list, when the game does release on May 14th, you'll be able to just go ahead and purchase it. Now, it does, technically unlock in 13 days, meaning on May 13th, you'll be able to go ahead and download it fully so that the moment it comes out on May 14th, you can go ahead and start playing it. But that is really the full process. That is how you can go ahead and get early access for Subnautica 2. Now, this game looks fire. I'm very excited for it and expect to have a ton of videos here on this channel the moment it drops. So make sure you guys are subbing with all notifications on so you don't miss those videos. Before you guys leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.